Okay, my friends, this is our home solar system. We've had this running for well over 3 years now. Hello, my friends. Today we're taking a look at this off-grid inverter. This is a 1500 watt inverter. Let's take it out of the box, show you guys everything you get. Now, what I like about this one is a pure sine wave. Pure sine waves, if you go with a non-pure sine wave, you get like a little hum from different electronics, but with the pure, it takes care of that, at least for most part. So this is what it looks like. You have your negative and your positive terminals. You have two fans on the side right there. It is a metal housing unit. I love the color. Here you can see your on and off button. You have two USB ports, you have two AC ports, and you got your digital display, which is really nice as well. Very sleek, very nice overall. So how this is going to work, we're actually going to be installing this at our cabin someday. So I'll show you guys, how exactly this works. Give me a moment. First of all, can I just say I love this feature about this. So you could put on here your positive, and then you just simply thread this on. Now, make sure your fingers aren't touching, so don't be, when you're putting this on, don't touch the metal like that. Just simply hold the plastic cap and thread that on like that. I love that. That's a nice feature. Good job, manufacturer. And this is our 2000 watt inverter. And the 1500 watt inverter is going to act the same exact way. So let me see if we can get this here. We want to make sure that, okay. So how this is going to work is you're going to need solar panels. Your solar panels, we have them out there. So your solar panels are going to run the whole way into something called a charge controller. This is a charge controller. I recommend getting a MPPT charge controller. Your solar panels are going to run into your charge controller, okay? So we have our wires here. We got a positive and negative. They run into your charge controller. And then your charge controller connects to your batteries. Okay? These are batteries. You want to get sealed batteries. These are 12 volt 100 AH each, and we got quite a few of them. Okay, your inverter is going to connect to your battery bank. So you're going to connect your inverter to your battery bank. Depends on how you run it. We have it connected into the center of our battery bank right here. So just like the one that we are reviewing, you got positive and negative. So we got a positive and negative cable in here. Right there, positive and negative, red and black. You connect those cables to your battery bank. And that powers your inverter. Then on your inverter, which we'll turn this one on here. Then on your inverter, you have your AC ports, just like the one we showed you. Just like the one we're reviewing. That's where you plug in your appliances. It's that simple, my friends. It's that simple. So then you can plug in your appliances, you can plug in different things, but you cannot exceed 1500 watts on the one we're reviewing. So let's recap. You have your inverter. Your inverter connects to your battery bank. Your battery bank connects to your MPPT charge controller. Your charge controller connects to your solar panels. And that's how you get a portable in-home solar system. Obviously, you need to do your research. Please, please, please do all your research before you do anything else, like wiring and all that fun stuff.